So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Extra 59 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, guys, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And kung also learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito, dial lang natin is asterisk 143, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then, ayan, after nyan guys, pagka-dial, piliin lang natin dito yung number 3, which is yung Go Extra. So, type natin yung number 3, and then send. And then, dito naman guys, piliin at hanapin nyo yung Go Extra 59. So, nasa number 1 siya, kaya ang i-type natin is number 1, and then send. And ayan guys, nakalagay dito kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Go Extra 59, makakakuha tayo ng 5GB na data para sa lahat ng sites. Plus, bukod pa doon guys, meron itong kasamang Only All Net Calls and Text. Valid na yan guys for 3 days for only 59 pesos. So, para ma-register or ma-subscribe, type nyo yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Extra 59 sa ating Globe SIM. Have a question? Kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.